I see so many faces. Most I met as head of business innovation for the American Bankers Association. I worked with banks and fintechs evaluating transformative technology. With the changing marketplace, I wondered how banking remains relevant. Working with bankers, I was searching for an answer, a solution I could endorse. And I did more than that. After 20 years, I found a solution, and I joined the team. A scalable bank-tech partnership model that is better than open banking, a model that empowers banks and communities, making you the community to the technology your customers crave. An embedded fintech solution where you give account holders choice and keep their business. Introducing the collaborative future of banking, ASA.
This is Asa Vault. Asa Vault is where your account holders seamlessly connect their accounts with all of the technology they want to use. I'm in the profile section. I've got 5 different financial institutions connected. I can see all of my accounts. I can click on any one of them, and it will expand it. Everything updates automatically, giving me a real-time 360-degree view of my finances. For many of you, your customers may be frustrated that they have not been able to connect to the technology they want, either because your accounts won't connect, the connection's unreliable, or core integration challenges. This is where ASA comes in. Let's connect to an ASA partner. First Education. When you partner with ASA, ASA builds a direct core integration using our patent-pending technology. ASA is integrated into Jack Henry, First Education's core. First Education account holders have real-time data access, two-way data flow, and never have to deal with fintechs not being able to connect. When you partner with ASA, your account holders have a permanent, revocable data connection that never has to re-authenticate. ASA also tokenizes the credentials and anonymizes all of the PII and banking account data. We'll talk more about why that's important shortly. As a partner, your account holders can connect additional accounts. I click the Add button. I can search for any bank or credit union, click on it, and then hit Continue. You can see it brings up our data aggregator and allows me to connect my accounts. Now, let's turn on some apps. We have 4 fintechs integrated and another 15 coming soon, covering categories including budgeting, investing, education, rewards, business expense management, and more. ASA allows you to quickly add any fintechs that you or your account holders want for free. ASA fintechs do not interface the core, and they do not receive account holder personal data. Let's connect to SpendPal. When I click on SpendPal, I can preview the solution to learn more about it. When I hit Get Started, it lets me control data access by choosing which accounts I want to share with SpendPal. For example, I can choose to share my checking account data, but not my credit cards, mortgage, or my IRA. Only the accounts I select are shared with SpendPal. When I click Grant Access, ASA permissions the data sharing and takes me into SpendPal. Instead of registering SpendPal with my name, email, and other personal data, I'm using login with ASA powered by OAuth to authenticate. I can connect to any fintech using Face ID, making it an easy, universal process. Now that I'm in SpendPal, it's fully connected to my account. This is a Finovate first. I just connected to a fintech without sharing my name, email, account information, or any PII data of any kind. I have a fully functioning fintech solution without having to share who I am. This is so important, as you can now partner with fintech without sharing customer PII data. ASA solves for third-party vendor due diligence and regulatory and compliance risk. ASA creates a trusted closed network between you and fintechs. Your account holders don't have to share personal data or open new banking accounts to use fintechs. The fintechs are powered by your checking accounts, loans, and products seamlessly. When a fintech figures out your customer just saved up for a down payment to buy a new home, that lead and opportunity is sent back to you, their top of wallet bank. All of the data and insights and new business fintechs unlock is used to grow your wallet share and make your account holders happy. Connecting this data and these opportunities back to you is the collaborative future of banking. I can connect to as many accounts as I want, and with one click, without having to register the fintech, without sharing my private data, and without data mining. Fast, convenient, and reliable access to the newest, best tech leads to happier, stickier customers. In the My Data section, I can delete a fintech connection, revoke data sharing instantly, or modify the connections to any individual fintech with one click. No PII or regulated data is left behind. You'll have a back-end portal where you can see which of your account holders have used Asa, what fintechs each one's using, and more.
With Asa, you maintain ownership and control of your account holders and provide financial empowerment through individualized choice. Asa solves core connectivity issues, regulatory and compliance risk, and business leaving your institution. Momentum is building with partners like PIMA, Federal Credit Union, and two here supporting us today, Boeing Employees Credit Union and University Credit Union. Industry leaders like the former CIO of JP Morgan Chase have invested, joined the board, and are mentoring Asa. Imagine the world you can open up for your account holders. Banks, credit unions, and fintechs, stop by our booth. Join the future of collaborative banking.